For easy dessert recipes, we are going to start with macadamia chocolate spread. Melt 1/3 of a cup dark chocolate chips with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and melt it in a double boiler method. Into my blender, I'm adding 2 cups of macadamia nuts, 1/4 of a cup maple syrup of non-dairy milk, and melted chocolate. Blend it all together till it's smooth. It is super easy to make. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator up to 2 weeks. The second recipe is for the yogurt bark. Mix 2 cups of yogurt with 1/3 of a cup maple syrup. Spread it on a parchment paper on a baking sheet. Sprinkle on top with granola. On the description bar you can find a recipe for the granola. Add your fresh blueberries and strawberries. Place it in the freezer for at least 3 hours before serving. Serve it frozen and enjoy. For the third recipe, I have peanut butter cookies. Combine 1 cup of almond flour with 1/4 of a cup maple syrup or honey and 1/2 cup of smooth peanut butter. Knead your dough till it's smooth. On a parchment paper, on a baking sheet, roll little balls so they would be equal sized. Back in September, I bought cookie molds for mooncakes and I have never had a chance to try it. So I thought maybe it's a good idea to try on the peanut butter cookies. You can use forks to create a pattern, or you can just squish the balls and leave it like this. Bake your cookies in the oven on 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit or until the edges turn golden color. And the last recipe is for coconut macaroons. Into my bowl, I'm adding 1 cup unsweetened coconut flakes, 1/2 cup of flour, 1/4 of a cup granulated sugar. Add 4 tablespoons dairy-free milk, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix it all together. Bake it 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes or until the edges are brown. Dip and sprinkle your baked macaroons in the melted dark chocolate. Hope you like all of the recipes. Let me know in the comments what would you like to see next. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy.